Every professional trader in the world reads candlesticks, but most beginners stare at them like they're looking at a foreign language. Here's the truth. Candlesticks are not complicated. They're actually one of the simplest and most powerful tools in all of trading. And in the next 3 minutes, you're going to understand exactly what they are. More than 300 years ago, a rice trader in Japan noticed something nobody else was paying attention to. Price doesn't just move, it leaves clues. His name was Munehisa Hama. He used these patterns to dominate the rice markets and became one of the wealthiest traders of his era. Fast forward to today, every hedge fund, every institution, every professional trader on Wall Street, still using the same tool. That's how powerful this is. So what exactly is a candlestick? Let's go straight to the chart. Every single candle you see represents one period of time. Could be 1 minute, 1 hour, 1 day. Whatever time frame you're looking at, each candle tells you exactly what happened during that time. 4 things, that's it. Where price opened, how high it went, how low it fell, and where it closed. Open, high, low, close. Every candle, every chart, every market in the world. Just those 4 numbers. Now let's look at what a candle actually looks like. 2 parts, the body and the wicks. The body is the thick part in the middle. It shows you where price opened and where it closed. Green body, price closed higher than it opened. Buyers won. Red body, price closed lower than it opened. Sellers won. Simple. Now the wicks, those thin lines above and below the body. The top wick shows how high price tried to go, but got pushed back down. The bottom wick shows how low price tried to fall, but got defended. Think of it like a boxing match. Buyers throw a punch upward, sellers block it and hit back. The candle shows you exactly who won that round, and more importantly, how hard the fight was. Here's why this changes everything. Before candlesticks, traders only had line charts. A line chart shows you one thing, where price ended up. That's like watching a football game and only seeing the final score. Candlesticks show you the entire game, every drive, every tackle, every momentum shift, pressure, rejection, strength, weakness, fear, greed. Every candle is the market leaving you a clue. Your job as a trader is not to guess. Your job is to learn how to read those clues. This single candle, right here, is the foundation of everything you will ever learn in trading. Patterns, trends, support, resistance, it all starts here. In the next video, we go deeper. Now that you know what a candlestick is, next you'll learn how to read what the market is actually trying to tell you.